Yo, dude! Whoa! Oh, I hope there's no wild animals in here. Well, I managed to break open the water bottle and lose about half the water. Now I know what it's like to be lost in the desert. Yo, dude! Oh, shit. Not bad for a crash landing. Now over here on the other side, looks like another small cave. I'm still yet to find the cave that my drone originally spotted. I'm definitely finding some interesting activity in this area. Cave activity, that is. Wow, that goes in pretty deep. I'm definitely not crawling in there, although one could if they wanted to. Whoa! Oh, I hope there's no wild animals in here. How deep does this thing go? And I hope it doesn't collapse on me. Alright, pretty cool. And the search goes on. I've been wandering this part of the desert for about an hour looking for this thing. It's so easy to spot something with the drone, and then it's so hard to go find it out here. It's like a maze. Even when I screenshotted the location on the map, tried to match them up, according to the map, I'm basically here, but I've been basically here for like an hour. So I think what I need to do is learn to use my drone app better and just drop a pin and go straight to the pin. I didn't think it would be this hard, so that's the lesson learned for tonight. But I'm gonna keep with it until I find this thing. Gosh, where is it? It's just endless. Update, I still haven't found it. Oh man, now I know what it's like to be lost in the desert. But I'm not giving up, because it wouldn't be a complete video without it. But I can't believe how hard it is to find this cave. Update, I just realized I've walked in a big circle. And feeling rather frustrated, I'm not gonna lie. I can't believe how hard it is to find this cave. Is this it? You know what? I think I found it. I think I finally stumbled across it. This camera won't let me show it because it's so dedicated to keeping level that it won't look down. So I'm gonna have to switch over to the other camera. Oh shit, I'll just walk around. Okay, thank God I found it. It doesn't stay on my feet, keep my pants up, hold this water and all my gear at the same time. Okay, what you got? There it is. I think this is it. It's gonna have to be it. Yeah, that's it. That might have some promise. Looks better from this angle. Yeah. Hang on. Well, I managed to break open the water bottle, lose about half the water. Remind me not to make any appearances on Survivor Man anytime soon. I could just hear Les Stroud right now. What, you broke the effing water bottle? You had one job. Yeah, pretty cool, but unfortunately not very big. Oh, whoa, it does go deep in there, though. I don't think too many humans could fit in there. Pretty cool. So, that concludes that cave. And I wish this camera would look up. It doesn't look up, it just looks in one direction. That's what it's trained to do. Oh! And the other camera doesn't like to stay in focus when the light gets low. Here you go. Damn you. Oh. Okay, so let's get some beautiful drone shots to finish this baby off.